Alright, so here's your March 2nd option watch list. The market's kind of stable. Yesterday was kind of green, so we want to go long today. First up is Netflix, NFLX. My bias is long. Second up is Nvidia. My bias is long. RCL, Ruby Cruise or Royal Cruise. My bias is long. We really want to see it get over the 93 mark though before we really take this one. And then Twitter. My bias is actually short. Once we get down to the 96 range, we're going to test the gap and where the real support is, which is 66. Don't expect it to hit 66 today, but that's the bias. Over 78, you can consider getting out. So that's it.